She picked the whole mattress. I can't take it. I don't understand that. What is she doing? You're a dog person. Tell me what she's doing. Hein, mamie? Qu'est-ce que tu veux? Qu'est-ce que tu veux, poupée? Donne-moi un bisou. You see? I love that. Even though I don't understand it, I love it.
She wants to rip the bottom
Why?
to get to the foam underneath. She wants to rip it out.
Isn't that retarded?
Could be.
This, I love this. I love when she does that. Look at that. She's going to tip the whole thing over. Magnona. I can't. I can't. Oh, you didn't take her harness off.